How to use a Frontier Airlines flight credit at checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open flyfrontier.com on your device and click on Book. After you click on Book, select from where and to where. Select the date, Travelers. After that, scroll down and click on Search. You'll find all these information. Proceed through all the steps in here. After you've proceeded through all the steps here by selecting which bundle you want and the date, time, and press on continue at the bottom, and you'll find payment screen. In payment screen, look for the option called Credit with Frontier. Then select Credit with Frontier, enter the confirmation code from the original booking, and confirm the code. After you've confirmed the code, review the updated total after applying the credit. If the credit does not cover everything, choose another payment method for the remaining payment, and if the site asks for additional verification, complete it, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to use a Frontier Airlines flight credit at checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.